Going on, everyone? Got a 2018 BMW 4 Series. We're going to reset the oil life on this guy. Have the car off right now. Keep your foot off the brake and hit engine start stop one time. Power up the cluster. Right now it says service due since there's the date right there. Now what you're going to do is you have this button right here by the steering column or in the cluster. Press and hold it down. All right, so we're about a 3, 4, okay. As soon as it does that, it says engine oil, 9,000 miles, reset possible. And that's what we want to do. We can go through everything that needs to be reset by just pressing the button. And when we get to what we want to reset, just press and hold the button down. Like we just changed the oil. We're going to reset that. I actually want to reset, press and hold it down again. And it'll reset. And we're going to go through some of the other services too. Okay. Green means good. We're going to reset this one. So we're going to press and hold it down. Let go. Press and hold it down. If you're getting an error when you try to do any of this, you might have the date and time not set up right on the car. I do have a video on that if you need to set the date and time, so check that out. I'll have the link in the description box. Some people run into that issue. All right, everything's green, so we can go ahead and just turn the car on. We are good to go. Hope the video was helpful. It was. Appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you in another video.